Good afternoon, everybody. I just want to make a quick little video and go over the trade that I placed today with on um, crude oil futures this morning. So basically, my bias on oil. I made a video earlier in the week or last week, whichever one it was, kind of giving my biases. Oil, why I believe oil is bullish, um, and I think we got some of that expansion out of that range that I was talking about on the last video. I just want to kind of pinpoint some things that I did, why I did them, and how I did them. So basically, looking at this chart, when you see these outside days like this one right here, this pretty much marks the bottom. Not quite the bottom, but this marks an area where price is undecided, doesn't know if it wants to go up or down. So outside, and then we quickly see bottoms get bought up, and then we see it kind of start trending up to the upside. Now I wanted to see some tops, some intermediate tops get taken out, and we have been seeing that the last couple of days, but then we've been seeing some wick off, some inside days. I wanted to see some push above this liquidity right here. So with that being said, I want to jump into the chart that I traded off of this morning. That was a 15-minute chart. So basically right here was my point of interest. I did not catch this run up on the liquidity grab, but I did, however, catch this trade right here. So basically I was looking at these fair value gaps in here that were, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning that were formed. Going based off of ICT's rule of, the different times when markets open and close. That's what I was looking for. I was looking for a nice push up above previous highs here, and then I mentioned before liquidity grab on a higher time frame, and I want to see a pullback and then a continuation pattern. So basically, what I looked for is I wanted to try to find an area where price might possibly return to. So this being an area of support, we see all these top wicks come up through here. I'm looking for bullish order blocks. So if I find a bullish order block right here at support, basically, okay. So we get this order block in there, okay, just like so. Bullish order block, and then I'm going to pull a Fibonacci on it too. I'm going to pull from this most recent price leg right here that takes out these highs and this high right here. So I'm going to pull a Fibonacci on this from low to high, and we bounce directly off the 786. So basically, is what I did is I seen these candles come down, form a double bottom right here. I suspected, I wanted price to come deeper into discount and then come down and trade into this order block. So I went long on the push of this with my stop below this order block. So it did trade down into that order block a little bit more than I like to see. However, it respected the Fibonacci to a T. I took profits right at the push above this double top here. So basically, in a nutshell, that was a long trade. I did take a short trade this morning off of this little rebound here, but I just wanted to play around with it just in case they tried to stuff oil down further, but I didn't think it was going to happen. So basically, to highlight that trade real quick too, I took this. I didn't see any bearish order block up here, but I did see one right here, and I did take it off the rejection of that order block right there. So that bearish order block comes down, takes out this previous low, forms an order block, comes back down. I took it right here, right off of this break of that order block, and then I took it down till it formed this double bottom, got out of it, and then I waited to get long. So yeah, that was basically the trade. That was the thesis. That's how I got to where I was at with the thesis. Yeah, and I'd like to see some continuation here. This is on a weekly time frame, daily. I'd really like to see these relative highs here get taken out. I do think that's definitely definitely a good possibility, right? So with that being said, I'm gonna end this video for now, and we're gonna play things by ear and see how this market reacts. All right, thanks for watching.